What are the most popular Irish dances? If you have ever wondered about the dances that bring Irish culture to life, you are in for a treat. Irish dance is a vibrant expression of tradition, closely linked to the music and spirit of Ireland. Let's take a closer look at some of the most popular Irish dances you might encounter. First up is Irish Stepdance, which is perhaps the most recognized form of Irish dance worldwide. This style is famous for its rapid footwork and a distinctive posture where the arms ranges at the sides. The origins of stepdance can be traced back to performances in small spaces, like pubs or village halls, where dancers had to limit their arm movements. As venues grew larger, dancers began to incorporate more body movements and traveling steps. Stepdance can be performed solo or in groups, and it is a common sight at competitions and performances throughout Ireland. Next, we have Irish set dancing, also known as country set dancing. This social dance involves four couples arranged in a square, making a total of 8 dancers. Set dancing shares similarities with English country dancing and French quadrilles but is infused with traditional Irish steps and lively music. Each set dance consists of various figures or parts, often repeated, and is danced to reels, jigs, polkas, and hornpipes. Names of set dances often reflected their place of origin, like the North Kerry set or the Clare set. Set dancing is a favorite at social gatherings and festivals, and organizations like Cumhaltas Ceoltóirí Éireann actively promote it. Another popular form is Ceili dancing, which includes a variety of group folk dances such as quadrilles, reels, jigs, and long or round dances. Ceili dances are deeply rooted in Irish tradition and are typically performed at community events. These dances encourage participation and are known for their lively and energetic atmosphere. Historically, some of the earliest popular Irish dances include the hay dance, a circle or chain dance, the rinse fada, which is a long dance, and the rinse mór, known as the Great Dance. These dances were enjoyed in villages and public gatherings. The hornpipe, although believed to have English origins, became an essential part of the Irish dance repertoire by the 18th century and continues to be performed widely today. For anyone traveling to Ireland, experiencing these dances is a wonderful way to connect with the culture. Many local pubs, festivals, and dance schools invite visitors to watch or even join in. Whether you are enjoying a professional step dance show or participating in a lively set dance at a local event, these dances create memorable moments and a genuine connection to Ireland's rich heritage.